Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, keep up. Today, I come to you with a video about Bariş, Baktaş and Yağmur, Yüksel. All the details are in my video. If you like my video, I would be really happy if you press the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can support me further with clicking the join button down below. Thank you, and let's get into my video. In the glittering realm of Turkish television, where the lines between real and real can blur, the latest buzz revolves around the charismatic actor Bariş Baktaş, known for his magnetic performances in the hit series Kan Çiçekleri. His on-screen chemistry with co-star Yağmur Yüksel has ignited sparks of speculation, leading to swirling rumors suggesting a clandestine affair between the two. However, at the heart of this sensational gossip stands a stark truth. Bariş Baktaş is happily married to Gülüm Baktaş, a fact often overshadowed by the fervor surrounding the on-screen dynamics between Baktaş and Yüksel. In a recent exclusive interview, Bariş stepped forth to address the swirling rumors that have painted a false narrative of infidelity and romance between him and his serious partner. With unwavering candor, Baktaş vehemently refuted the baseless speculations surrounding his alleged romantic involvement with Yüksel. The rumors of an affair between Yağmur and me are entirely false. Baktaş stated emphatically. He expressed his deep admiration and respect for Yüksel as a colleague and affirmed that their camaraderie is purely professional and grounded in a mutual commitment to delivering compelling performances on screen. Despite the unwarranted scrutiny, both Baktaş and Yüksel remain dedicated to their crafts, challenging their energies into delivering captivating performances that have endeared them to audiences nationwide. Their professionalism and commitment to their roles stand as a testament to their passion for their craft, far removed from the unfounded conjecture that seeks to overshadow their hard work. As the dust settles on this whirlwind of speculation, Bariş Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel stand resolute, determined to rise above the sensationalism and focus on their craft. The truth, as articulated by Baktaş himself, remains steadfast. There is no romantic entanglement between the co-stars, only a shared dedication to their craft and a commitment to the delivering enthralling performances for their audience. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.